Crunchified Clean friends, owning a cleaning business is not just dusting. I take it very personal and responsible, and I love animals. So being a cleaning business owner, I really am very mindful of the products that I use in my clients' homes. So I use eco-friendly, plant-based, minimal waste cleaning and disinfecting for my home, for my clients' home, for my clients' health and their pets' health. Those little furry babies, they walk on the floor after I'm done mopping. And I don't want toxic chemicals being absorbed into their skin and into their bloodstream. So I'm very mindful of what I use for various reasons. But those little fur babies are one of my number one priorities. And when I'm in my client's home, I love that they love to love up on me and I love up on them. And I give them lots of cuddles and snuggles and huggy buggies and all that good stuff. Animals really do sense a good person. So I think they feel comfortable when I'm there. And I'm comforted knowing that they feel comfortable around me. And it makes my job so much more fun when I get to love up on my clients' pets. Whether it's a bird and I talk to the bird, or it's a cat or a dog, I take it very seriously. I know that my clients love seeing pictures and videos that I send to them when they're at work of their fur babies being taken care of. I mean, what better feeling is it to have somebody love an animal that you love as well? Cleaning is not just wiping. It's knowing how to properly and safely clean and disinfect the area so that I'm not harming my clients' possessions and their fur babies or their kids. And I love having my clients' home crunchified clean. And doggy kisses. How great are doggy kisses? I mean, they're just so cute. So cute. And then my cat gets all jealous when I get home. He's all like, where have you been? Who have you been hanging out with? But it's all good. Love them. So enjoy some of these videos of all these little doggies loving up on me and me loving up on them. Because, I mean, how can you not love an animal? They're just the best.
Hey, this is my friend Penny. Hi, Penny. You're a good girl. Give me your paw. Come on. Oh, good girl.
Axel, can I go back to work? You're such a good boy. Hi, Apollo. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. I know you're a good boy.
Oh, what's a good girl? Who's a good girl? Who is? You a good girl?
You say hi? Oh, good boy. Oh, good. Yeah, hi, my friend. Hello. Hi. Hello. Hi. Hi, Penny girl. You remember? Oh, you remember Crunchy cleaning my cat? Yes, you do. Hi, Penny girl. Hi. Oh, I love you too, Penny. Hi, Penny. You a good girl? Yeah, you're getting old, Penny. You're like me. You got your white hairs growing in. Oh, you get. Hi, Gertie. Hi, Gertie. You're a good girl, Gertie. You almost knocked me over. You're such a good girl. Yes, you are. Okay, good girl. Can I get back to work? Okay, Gertie. Good girl. What do you want? Oh, that's what you want. You're such a good boy. You're such a good boy. You're a good boy, Axel. Oh, you're a good boy. I gotta finish, buddy. I gotta finish working. Hi, Phantom. Oh, you're a good. Oh, you're a good girl. Oh, you just. Hey, hi. You being a good girl? You being a good girl?
I'm gonna miss you, Penny. I'm gonna miss you when you move. Yeah, you've been my buddy for many, many years, Penny. Right? First met you in 2016, yeah.
And now we're in 2023. We both have white hairs. See? We're both aging. But I think we're aging beautifully. What do you think? Oh, my goodness. Oh, look at you, Penny. I'm gonna miss you. Oh, miss you, Penny. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness, the belly rubs. Oh, the belly rubs. Who's gonna give you the belly rubs, huh? Well, Mom and Daddy and all your brothers and sisters will, but you love the crunchy cleaning by Kathy belly rubs, don't you? Yeah. I'll see you, I think, one more time before you go. Okay, you have a good life at your new house, and I'm gonna miss you. I'm gonna miss you. I love you, Penny girl.